Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be building some hexagons, some wooden hexagons. Building a shelf for my wife, and I've got a few assembled together. I'll show you in a second here. So I started with the 12 by 72 whitewood blocks, and I cut them down to about 8.5 inches. Just cut them on a table saw, and now I've set the table saw to 30 degrees. And we're going to just cut both sides at 30 degrees and end up with about 8 inches, around 8 inches, 8 inches and 8.25 inches, or 8 inches wide, and then we'll assemble the hexagons. So, show you that. So I've done, got the saw, you can see, set to 30 degrees, it's on here. See that? There you go. Set it to 30, and we're just gonna end up cutting those now. I cut a bunch already on one side. Stack here. That's the shelves there getting assembled and glued. They're not gonna be on the side like that. It's just the only way to glue them up without them tipping over. So we will. I'm gonna be cutting both sides of these. This is just square. The stack here is already done on the one side, and then I'll flip them onto the other side. So we'll just go through that. It's going to get noisy here, so I'm just going to add some music to the back of this in the background. Let's start. That's it. Cut up all the pieces, both sides now, and put them together. We'll end up forming hexagons. Now, last time I had issues with pieces were different, actually different widths. Boards were different sizes. So I'm going to go through and I'll trim these all down to, I think it was 11.75 inches, and we'll do that. And then we'll assemble them. So here we are. So we got the pieces all cut down. We're going to assemble them now. This is how I assemble them. I'm sure there's many other ways, probably better to put them together than this. This is just how I do them, using what I have handy, which, as you'll see, are ratchet straps and a brad nailer, 18 gauge nailer. And I got a small compressor here. I didn't want to drag the big one out of the garage, so we'll get with that now. It's blue. there we have it, Hexagon assembled. Now, I go one extra step, and as you see, I'll just put ratchets around it to tighten it up. You see some of these are a little loose, and that doesn't really, I mean, it's just tacked together. The glue obviously is going to hold it, but just a regular ratchet strap. If I was just using the straps for this, I would obviously cut these down so that this wasn't so long, but I use them for a bunch of other stuff. They're usually in the truck, actually. So, leave them as is. And this here, these guys together. Adjust it. Even around. And there you have it. Put another one on the other side. I can move this around and don't have to worry about it falling apart anymore. So we're putting the second ratchet on. We put the first one on already. And put this one on. Here it goes. Up a bit. There we go. I'll just adjust that a bit so that it's on a flat surface. And then cinch it down. There. And that's that. Our Hexagon is assembled. And it's tight. Push on it. She's not really gonna shift. So you do that another 10 times. Let this sit overnight. I've got a bunch of straps here I'm gonna do. I can probably get 5 or 6 done tonight, and then the rest tomorrow, and then continue assembling the rest of the shelves, and then sanding, and we'll decide if we're going to paint them or stain them or something, but we'll see. Talk to you later. We get the shelf all together. I'm just painting them now, and I'll go through this and get her done. Added a straight shelf